Hey, what's good? Manuel here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money selling covered calls on Robinhood. And I'm not just going to show you how to do it, I'm going to actually show you. I'm going to actually get in, sell an option contract, go in, buy it right back, take profits, and yeah, the whole shebang. Be sure to watch the end if you want to actually know what you're looking for in the charts to do this. And without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so here we are in Robinhood. We're taking a look at Honest. I have 100 shares of Honest. And as you can see, I'm up 28% on them, up $111 overall. When I look at the charts on Honest, this seems like an area that it might get slapped back down. So because of that, and because I'm up on it already, it's not really going to be a loss to me. So essentially what I'm about to do is I'm going to come to Honest. I'm going to come to hit trade. I'm going to hit trade options. And since I own 100 shares of Honest, I'm going to be able to sell options contracts against them. So I can pick whatever date I want. I'm going to pick May 16th. This is the closest one. I feel like this will happen by then. And my goal in doing this is really just to I don't necessarily need to wait till May 16th, but if Honest makes a decent move down, I'm going to buy this back for a lower price than I'm selling it for right now. So I'm going to click May 16th. Normally I would buy an option contract, but since I'm on the other side, so I'm going to hit sell, and I'm going to pick this $5 strike that's in the money. It's going for more than it normally would. I'm going to hit sell. Or I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hit sell. I'm going to see I see there's a spread. The bid is 40 and the ask is 50. I'm going to try to go right in between. So I'm going to hit sell. I'm going to try to put 45. Let's see if I get filled. I'm going to swipe up. All right. And just like that, I got filled. And when it comes to looking at it, you can see right here, it shows I'm down $3 just because the mid price is 48. But if Honest comes back down in price, if it has any kind of sell off, like if we look at it on the past week, if it happens to move back over here or move back down here or whatnot, I can buy this back. I can buy this back for less and I get to profit the difference. Or if on May 16th, this is below $5, I get to keep all $45 and do whatever I want with it. And this is something I can repeat cyclically whenever I see the opportunity. All right, so here we are in Robinhood. A day has passed since I've purchased that Honest call. And taking a look at it, if we come down and look at my options, we can see the same call I purchased right here, the Honest $5 call, or the call I sold yesterday is this $5 Honest call that expires on the 16th. Notice all these other contracts in here, they say buy. I already owned 100 shares of this, so this one shows sell. Now, if we click on it, as we take a look at it, you can see it's currently going for 8 cents per share or $8 for the whole contract. And this little graph kind of shows kind of the progress of it. If we look on the week, this is kind of how the value has gone. If we look on the day, this is kind of how the value has changed as well. And if we scroll down a little more, you can see -1. Whenever you see minus any contract number, that means you sold the contract. Normally, if I would have bought this, this would just be 1. And you can see the current price is 0.8. which is good because I received a $45 credit when I bought it. Should it be 50 or anything like that, I would be down on this. But now that it's $8 and I sold it for 45, if I want to take profits on this now, I can. Because in order for me to take profits on this contract I sold, I simply just buy it back. And that's what we're about to do. I'll show you. But just kind of going and looking at it, today's the 8th. I sold this the 7th, and oftentimes whenever you get a move like this, kind of right away like this, a lot of times it's better to take profit than to wait till it expires. So I'm just going to take profits because I've already taken 80% of what's possible. And yeah, we're going to come down here. I'm going to click on trade. I'm going to click on buy because I need to buy it to close it. Then it looks like it's going for about 8. There's a spread from like 5 to 10. I may have to try to do it at 10 because it may not let me do the number in between, but I'm going to try. See if I can buy it back. Oh, ooh, hold up. Want to pay attention to the decimal. Okay, so I have to pay 10 for it, and that's still fine with me because I'm still taking profit. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit review. I'm going to swipe up. And just like that, I made $35 on this contract. If we go and take a look at Honest, we can see the history. I'm still up on my shares. I didn't have to pay for that contract. I actually got paid for it. And we can see right here, I bought the contract for $45, sold it for $10. Now I got $35 to invest however I'd like. All right, so here we are in TradingView. We are looking at the charts. Here, let me get rid of some of this to simplify it for you. But yeah, here we are in TradingView. We're looking at the stock chart for Honest. This is the stock that I sold covered calls on. If you don't understand what's going on right here, highly recommend you check this video out right here. It'll explain to you, first off, how to read the chart as well as like just some basic technical analysis. It'll actually teach you a lot when it comes to learning how to trade. So highly recommend it. But yeah, if you've seen that, if you understand this, all right, so just kind of looking at the chart here, let me go up to a higher time frame. I could see on this weekly time frame right here that there is a level of resistance right here. So if I just kind of take it and draw it right here, I see there is resistance. And then also I can see overall right now, Honest stock is in a downtrend. It looks like the trend is changing, but for the short term, it's in a downtrend. And pretty much just looking at it, it has not retested this level of resistance. So I had a pretty good feeling that it was going to be kind of slapped back down at this price. So if we zoom in, when I actually entered that call, it was, or when I actually sold that call, it was about right here. It was within the first 4 hours of market open on Wednesday. I sold it, it kind of came up. This happened after hours because they had company earnings. And then today when the market opened up, I was up and I was able to sell out of it. So pretty much what happened, I realized we came to a pretty strong level of resistance and I sold a call. Right now, this isn't going to be something that I'm able to do every week. This isn't necessarily something I'm able to do every month. But over time, as the value of Honest goes up, as the stock appreciates, as it gets further away from my average cost, which my average cost is just below $4, over time, this could potentially become a weekly source of income. The amount that I'm able to make selling covered calls over time as well, if this stock gets more valuable over time, I'll also be able to make more as well. So I didn't really talk about it too much, but if you take anything away from this video, know that once you own 100 shares of a stock, and ideally it's a quality stock that you think is going to appreciate over time, you can make extra money on top of it selling covered calls whenever it gets to resistances. Once again, if you don't understand how to read the charts and really want to level up your trading, be sure to check out this video right here. I actually have a whole playlist. Be sure to check that out. If you enjoyed the video and learned anything, be sure to smash the like button. If for some reason you're new here and haven't already, be sure to subscribe. And last, but most certainly not least, thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life.